Hi, Christine Toney with Essentially Styled. Today I want to show you a stacked bun using hair sticks. Now everyone knows I love my hair sticks. Lila Rose has an amazing variety, and this is a new style that I just came across and I think it's going to be my new favorite. Be sure to stay to the end. If you're not familiar with sticks, you haven't used sticks before, stay to the end and I will show you a way that you can transition to using sticks until you get comfortable with some of the other styles. And I do have other tutorials that I'll mention at the end as well. So I'm starting today. These are just my blue ones that I have. I love these. This is my own personal collection. Some of these are retired. In fact, a lot of these are retired or no longer available because they were either stylist exclusives, past part of the Flexi of the Month program. Even though they're hair sticks, they sometimes come out with a coordinating stick. So a lot of these came out and I've had them for years. But you can just see the variety that we have. Now I'm going to be using two different styles, style hair sticks in each bun, just to show you how they can coordinate. Some people like to coordinate or have them exactly match. You can do that, but a lot of times Lila Rose will make sticks that come out in a coordinating set, and they've been doing that a lot. So anytime, that's probably my favorite way to wear them. So this is one of our sea glass ones. I just love that. Since you don't have access to those, make sure you follow me on Facebook. If you don't have a stylist, you can be a part of my VIP page where I have and share my stock there. So, but today I am going to be using these two that are both retired and probably some of the first sticks I got as a Lila Rose stylist. So it's kind of the three shades here and then the multifaceted beads. But I thought it kind of went with my jacket today, kind of a boho look. So to do a double stack bun, if you've seen space buns where on the crowns of your head, kind of the same idea, only you're just positioning these straight down the back. You could go side by side. I'm going to be doing it stacked vertically. So I'm going to turn around and I will show you. You're first going to gather the top portion of your hair here and separate that out really well so that you're not going to get those tangled up together. Okay, now I'm going to do, you can do any type of bun here. You could do a traditional regular bun. I'm going to do a Celtic knot bun just because I like the look a little bit better and it almost never fails. So to do a Celtic knot, you make that OK sign with your fingers. And then I'm going to swing this hair around the tail under those three fingers, bring it up and catch it with my finger here, hook it and bring it up through the center of the bun. Then I'm going to take my stick, I'm going to grab that loop of hair, go out of the bun and come back through and make sure there's nothing there standing up. Okay? So that's the first one, okay? And the thing I love about Lila Rose hair sticks is that they're not the traditional chopstick length, so they don't stick out way beyond your head. So you are going to take that next bunch. Now I bring it up pretty close. You could drop it down, but I want to make it pretty close to that other bun. So I'm going to rake that hair up a little bit, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the OK sign. Swing that hair around. Grab it with my finger, hook it to bring it through. I have that loop with these two fingers. I'm going to stick through. And watch your angles. You may decide, how you want your angles to be. If you want them parallel or just a little, I usually like mine just a little off. But there is a stacked bun. Now then I will usually kind of bring some hair down. You can loosen it a little bit, but I really tuck those wings behind. Have liked this new style that I came across, and I think it'll be one of my new favorites. So as I promised, if you've never used sticks before and you want to kind of start playing around but you're like, oh, I've never used them, there is a cheat, and we have leathers. And they come in different sizes, but this is a leather. We have beaded ones, we have fabric ones, and braided leather ones. So we call them our 8s, and you just can place this over your bun or your twist stick it through, grab some hair, and come back up through so that your hair is captured in there. Really simple to use. Okay, so just to show you how it works, you're gonna go in one side. Wouldn't recommend this style, but you can see how easy it is to work. So super simple. So you can transition using an 8. So pick out this decorative stick you like and then pick a leather 8 to match it, or one of our braided or beaded ones. But they are sized. I recommend the middle sizes for most people. The smalls are great for ponytails or halfbacks. But anything beyond that, you're probably gonna need one of the middle sizes. The larges are very large and will hold very long and thick amounts of hair. So that's a great option. I also have, like I said, I have 2 other videos, one on Hairsticks that has 6 styles that you can do with Hairsticks, and another that has 13, so you can look for those as well. And of course, always be sure to subscribe and catch the next video. This can also be done with U-pins, so subscribe and you'll be able to catch that one that I'll be doing soon. Talk to you guys later. Bye.